Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write curved text up and down in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. And go back the home menu, increase the font size. Then select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape fill, make no fill. Select the outline, choose no outline. Now select the text again and select the text effect option and choose the transform. Now I am select the curve up and curve down. Now I am select this curve up and we can see here the curve down option. Now I am select this. You can copy the text box, press Ctrl on our keyboard and copy this. Now I am select the text curve down. Go back again the text transform option and make the curve down. Now we can see we make text curve up and down easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for